Eats and eats and eats and treats.
And welcome to Eats and Treats. Today we are celebrating Cinco de Mayo and we are making Pico de Gallo. Ooh, that rhymes. We are making this while our machaca beef is cooking. We have some extra time, so I thought we would make some Pico de Gallo in remembrance of Major Pico. He played a big role in Cinco de Mayo. First, we are starting off with our cucumber. I like to peel my cucumber. I also de-seed it as well. Now, Pico de Gallo is a great addition to whenever you're having tacos or any sort of Mexican celebration. Now that we have all of our ingredients ready to assemble, we're going to begin with our diced tomatoes. Now, Pico de Gallo is a delicious snack. It's great because it's low cal. Any of you Weight Watchers out there, it's 0 points. I'll add a little bit of onion, and really the onion is to your taste. Our healthy cucumbers, a pinch of cilantro, a little pinch of sea salt. Now I like to also add a dash of garlic powder, onion granules. Now we will finish that with some fresh lime juice. And pico is delicious. I love to top it on top of my huevos rancheros. Also, I like to add it to tacos, eat it with chips and our guac. Really, Pico de Gallo is a great addition to any dish. Pico de Gallo is a simple side dish that you can just whip up, as you can see, in just a couple minutes. Let's give it a taste. Mmm.